Hey, what is up? This is Miguel Martinez Juarez, and welcome. So today I want to talk about workouts. This is the third principle in my coaching program, and it's gonna be in my book as well, because I make it simple for people to understand these pillars, principles to getting in shape, right? So, working out. What do you need to work out? What you need is resistance. You need some type of resistance on your muscles, such as using machines, barbells. What else? Bands. All that puts resistance on your muscles, but you want them to be really heavy, really, really hard. I always recommend a minimum of 12 repetitions. Write that down, 12 repetitions. So if you're doing a bench press, do 12 repetitions. Make sure it's heavy and at most 20 reps, okay? And at most 3 sets. That means if you're doing bench press, do 3 sets in the bench press and switch, move on, okay? That's what I recommend. And you want to go heavy. You want to make sure the last 2... when you hit, this is a good rule of thumb. When you hit 15 reps, you want the last 2 to be very hard to get up. Now, depending on what this is for building muscle. I'm giving you this for building muscle, right? The most you want to do in an exercise for like a big body part, you want to go up to 6. If you're losing weight, you want to go up to 8 exercises. If you're dieting down, 1 minute rest for all of this. 1 minute rest for all of this, okay? Whether you're losing weight or building muscle. Now, for the smaller workouts like your abs, your arms, your calves, shoulders, trapezius, you want to do 2 to 3 at most, 3 exercises at most, and you want to do 5 when you're dieting down, because when you're dieting down, you're not trying to build muscle, you're really trying to focus on getting volume in, getting a lot of energy expended, and then you want to rest 1 minute, okay? Always just rest 1 minute and then hit it. Go back and hit it. Okay? Exception. When you're doing the heavy weight, I recommend one heavy exercise, right? One really heavy exercise that you go up to, you could do 4 to 8 reps. 4 to 8 reps. And that one you could take like 2 minutes, 3 minutes if you want. 2 to 3 minutes. Break, okay? For that one. That's the exception. Okay, and there's other pillars in here in the workout phase, but I just want to give you those practical tips that you could actually apply. Okay, and here's a little bit of the theory or the concept is that when your muscle rips, it rebuilds. Okay, every time it rips, you have to rebuild it. So with enough protein, enough calories, enough carbs, your body's gonna rebuild itself and it's gonna build that muscle. All right, and so it shows that muscle starts building on top of muscle on top of muscle. Okay. That's the concept. You gotta tear it. And how do you tear it? Putting resistance, lifting weights, lifting heavy, okay? Minimum 12 repetitions, except for the exception of the heavy weight, okay? That's how you do it. That's how you build muscle, all right? That's how I build muscle, and that's why you see my pictures. I'm over there flexing and all that kind of stuff, because I did those workouts and my body changed. There's a lot going on right here, but apply those steps. You're gonna start working out. You're gonna start getting those results, okay? Now, if you want me to help you want me to create a program for you, a customized program that has all these pillars that I talk about, the mindset, the workouts, the nutrition, the supplements, just for you, customized, because everybody's different. Nobody is exactly the same, okay? They're all slightly different. So, we're all slightly different, means we need a customized program. Send me a DM if this is something that interests you, something that you want. Send me a DM or go to weightlossmusclecoaches.com. That's weightlossmusclecoaches.com. Just go to your browser, type in www.weightlossmusclecoaches.com. Okay? And we can get you an online coaching plan, and you're going to get results that last, all right? Structured and effectively. All right? Talk to you soon. Hope you're doing great, and have a blessed Sunday. Love you.